Hi guys, this is Sadik from Dwarden.com, and in this video we'll show you how to fix the no such file or directory of Homebrew bin brew error message via the Homebrew application in the terminal window on your Mac. So as you could see, every time when I launch the terminal on my Mac, let me show you. So just give me a second. As soon as I launch the terminal window, I will always get this error message. As you could see from here, these error messages are appearing in the batches of 4, and they all are saying the same thing, that no such file or directory. They are not able to find the opt homebrew bin brew directory, and every time, even if I restart my Mac, restart the terminal window, I will always get this error message. So why is this happening? Well, the reason for the same is that the Z profile is trying to source the opt homebrew bin brew directory, whereas it should be sourcing the user local bin directory. So as you could see, currently it's searching for the opt homebrew bin directory, but in fact it should instead be searching and sourcing the user local bin directory. So keeping this point in mind, in this video I'll show you how to rectify this issue once and for all. So let's get started. There exist a total of 3 fixes. You may carry out any of these 3 fixes. In the first fix, what you could do is simply replace the opt homebrew bin directory with the user local bin directory, and the issue should be fixed. So for that, open the Finder window and then go to the home directory. From there, from the home directory, you have to press the shift command and period or full stop, and then you will get the hidden files and folders. So inside that you will see the .z profile file. Open the file via text editor app. Once the file has been opened, you will see something like this. So in this, what you have to do is you will see around a single instance or up to 4 instances of this line opt homebrew bin brew shell environment, as you could see. So you will have to replace this line with this line. So copy this command and paste it in the CMD window, or rather paste it in the text editor app that you have launched. So simply replace all these 4 lines with this, and once you have done the paste of all these 4, let me show you. Simply do the pasting, and once that is done, hit the command S to save the changes, and then your task stands complete. You may then do a restart as well, and the issue will be fixed from your end. You may then restart the terminal, and then you will no longer face the issue. Or you may also take one more approach. So let me show you the second approach. So in the next approach, what you could do is simply, since the issue is that the OS is opting and looking for the opt homebrew bin brew directory, you must simply comment this line, as a result of which it will no longer execute or search for this line in the command window. So what you could do is, once again, open the Finder window, then under the home directory, use the shift command and period shortcut keys to show the hidden files. Then again open the .z profile, and from here you may simply use a hashtag or the command to comment the line. As soon as you comment the line, you will no longer get this error message. So simply do a hash and then keep a space. Likewise, do so for all the files, all the lines. So hash space, and again use a hash space and hash space. Once that is done, use command space to save the changes, then close the file. And now once you restart it, you will no longer get the error message. Apart from that, you may also take a third approach. So as of now, once when we install the homebrew in the path, so the list of directories it searches, but when we remove the homebrew, we haven't yet done the update to the path. That is, we haven't instructed the Mac OS to not search for the path. It's still searching for the path. So even if we have removed the homebrew, the Mac OS is still searching for the opt homebrew bin brew directory, which is not there on our PC. So what you could do is you could make a temporary directory of this name, of this location, but don't keep anything on that. Just make a path of this name, so that when Mac OS searches for the path, it will be able to find this path, and you will no longer get this error message. So simply open a new terminal window, copy paste this command. You will then have to type in your password, because it's a sudo command. Once you type in your password, a new directory, the make directory command, using this command, a new directory will be made, and then when the terminal and the Mac OS will search for it, it will be able to find this directory, and hence you will no longer get the prompt on your Mac OS. So guys, you may carry out any one of these 3 fixes, and once you have implemented the fixes, simply do a restart of the Mac once, and upon a restart the underlying issue will be fixed. So just to recall, the issue is happening because the Mac OS is searching for the opt homebrew bin brew directory. In fact it should be searching for the user local bin. Since it's not there, we are getting this error message. So you could either replace the opt homebrew with the user local, or in the second fix you must simply comment the opt homebrew and the Mac OS will no longer search for the opt homebrew, or in the third fix you must simply make a new directory with the opt homebrew directory, and Mac OS will then search for this directory. It will find the directory and you will no longer get the error message. So you may try out any one of these 3 fixes and then do a restart of the Mac. Upon a restart, you will no longer get this error message. So guys, on that note, I round off this video. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section, and thanks a lot for watching. So guys, I have just done a restart of my Mac OS. So let me now show you. If I now go to the Launchpad and open the terminal window, as you could see, I am no longer getting the error message. So in my case, I have implemented both the first and second fix just to show you, but you will have to implement only one of the 3 fixes, no longer need to implement all the fixes. Moreover, in most cases, even a restart might not even be required, but just to be on a safer side, I did a restart. You may simply force close the terminal window from here and then open a new window, and the changes will be implemented. But just to be on the safer side, I had done a restart, and as you could see, I am no longer getting the prompt. And let me show you, just for the sake of reference, let me show you once again. If I go to Launchpad and open the terminal window, I am no longer getting this prompt. So guys, the issue is now fixed from our end.